Welcome to the Stevens Design Company. Today we are going to upload a product to Shopify. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Shopify dashboard. On the left, you're going to have the products tab. You're going to click that. As you see, we already have one product. So all your products that you have uploaded, whether they're active or not, will show here under the products tab. To add a new product, you'll just go to add product, which will be in the top right of your screen. Click add product. The first thing we want to do is put in a title. The title is important because this is how the product will show everywhere in the cart, on the home screen, on the product page, on if you're using sales channels like Facebook, uh, the shop app, that's all controlled by this one title here. So today we're just going to upload, I believe it's a hoodie. Let me double check 1 second. Excuse me. Yeah, today we're going to upload a hoodie it's just a t-shirt. This is just a mock website I made for another clothing brand. So we want to think of the name of the t-shirt. We're going to put women's money hungry, logo T. Now this is how this product will show everywhere on the website. Next, you want to think about the description. This is also, when you type in this stuff, it's gonna create a search engine listing, but we'll go in and change that later. So in this part, you want to describe the product and its use. This is important because this is the last thing a customer will see before they decide whether they want to buy the product or not. And this whole section here is a rich text editor, which is very powerful. I'll make a video on that another time. Here is your media section, like you wouldn't add any videos. This is, as it says, videos. You can do that either adding a file or using a link. But with this section, you just want to add what pertains to the item that's being sold. So we're going to add some files up in here, media files. I'll open those up. I had already made these mock-ups. I made these and Place It, which I'll leave a link in the description. How you can use Place It to make native and static mock-ups for your clothes and other things as well. Here you have the price, where you want to go in and list what the item is going to be sold for. The buying price was t-shirt. We want to say $25. $25. And if we wanted to make this a sale item, say the original price was $30, it'll show with a sale price. So this price will probably be slashed out. And we're going to leave that there just for example purposes. Do we want to charge tax on this product? Yes, we do. You want to look at your local and state governments for the tax rates. I don't know. They vary by county and state. But you just want to make sure you have that stuff set up in the back end of your website. And this is for you to track. So you can track your profit margins. If you knew this t-shirt altogether cost you $11 to print or to manufacture, you can put that price in here. So every time you sold a t-shirt at $25, you made $14. This right here is stock keeping units. You want to learn about this. This is very important. It's kind of a big industry thing, but it can be applied to any business of any size. I would just read up about this. Shopify has a very good blog on stock keeping units. So this is very important. Also, I won't go into that right here in this video. This is just a quick video on how to get your products up and ready to be sold on Shopify. Now you want to put in a weighted t-shirt. So we're going to say this t-shirt is 10 ounces after it's printed. I think originally it's probably like 8-ounce t-shirt. You want to choose here. This is to show if you're going to be selling outside of the country. Customs wants to know where the item originated from. And here's the harmonized system code. This here is easier to use now than it was in the past, because all you have to do is kind of type in exactly what it is, and it pops up with the code. You used to have to download like a spreadsheet and look through this entire spreadsheet for a certain code for a certain item. Now you can pretty much narrow it down. The next thing I want to get into on here is options, variants. How many variations of this product are being sold. So in this example, I'm just going to do size and colors because it's a t-shirt and we only have 2 colors. So the first thing we have up here is size, so we can choose colors. So we're going to go colors first. The first option, we want to put black. Black. And once you got that in, you can just press enter and go down to the next value, which will be gold. And then once you're done, you don't want to add any more values. Click done. So now, as you can see, it split the product into 2 things, black and gold. Now we can go in here and now we can add options like size. So for this example, we're just going to use 3 sizes: small, enter, medium, enter, and large. Enter. And we're done with that. So now this product is split into 6 different variants. You got gold, small, black, medium, gold, large, black, large. Boom. Now we want to add the images, the actual product images here. So what we'll do is click all the black. I'm sorry. First I have to save this. We can go ahead and make it active, and then we'll just go up, because we know websites are a living, breathing thing, and we'll put it on pause for 1 quick second, just to get over this small hurdle. Now we have a placement for images. So we want to select all the black. We want to let them know we want to add images. Black. This is the product images. This will show in the tab. This will show when they change variants on the page. Like if they chose a gold shirt, it'll show a gold shirt. That's what we want. We want cohesiveness. We want, people to feel, I forgot one step. But there was an option here to track quantity. Usually I myself do a lot of print on demand, so I don't do that, but I don't add products like this as well. But here you can enter the quantity of the items that you have, so that way the store automatically keeps track of the inventory. So we're just going to put 5 in here for each one. Here again is the slot for that stock keeping unit, which is very important. You can create them on your own, but I would advise anyone to read the article Shopify has on stock keeping units. The next thing we want to think about is the search engine listing. So we click edit, and it's going to already have this information filled in from the actual product title. Now, this is the page title. This is what everyone sees on Google or any other search engine. So we're just going to put in, describing the product, the perfect t-shirt for any occasion. Blah, 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 blah. We're not going to go into that right here in this video. We're just going to get this product up and going. So now that we have all of these things filled out, and as you see, this is what it would look like in the search engine. So remember, this is a very important selling point, and you always want to make sure that you have keywords like t-shirt, which, I should have spelled t-shirt, or T here. So when someone's searching online, these things work together. This, the link, the description, the SEO, and the product, the page title. They all work together to kind of narrow down people's search. Another thing that helps out with that is all these images have alt text. And to add alt text, as it says, alt text that describes the media, improves accessibility for people who can't see images on web pages, including users who use screen readers or have low bandwidth connections. So you want to add in here and just describe the t-shirt or what's in the media. So we'll have woman wearing black t-shirt with MOH logo. Save all text. So this helps on Google with your images, and it's very important. So here you will manage which channels you want this to show. This is just a test website, so I don't have other channels like Facebook, Google, Instagram, those things set up here. But you would click, just like this is tabs. There's tabs for this. There will be tabs for those other sales channels. Excuse me. Next, you have the product organization, like how, you want this stuff to filter on your website. So here you have apparels and accessories, and put that in here, or you can add a custom type, if you want to categorize things in your own wording. Here you can add collections, which is here. Any pre-built collections that you have, you can automatically add them to your collection pages from this product page. And here are tags. Tags help people find things on your website. So you will put in tags: black, t-shirt, graphic tee, women's. If it was a seasonal item, spring, you will put that in there. And here is if you wanted to change the template of how this product page looks on your website. Now you can create templates for just about any product or page on your website. Duplicates, just with small changes, so you can customize each product page to look a little different. We're going to save this. We're going to take a quick look. And boom, there you have it. T-shirt loaded with variants. As you change, it's pretty good. I'll put the link in the description. I thank everybody for your time. Please like and subscribe, share to your friends who have stores, and have a great day.